Copy. Sorry, I forgot to share the screen. I will go back to what I was talking about. I was saying this is the model, the forecasting model, time series yx y hat equals a hat plus b hat x, and I will get the number of a hat and b hat. This is what I'm doing. This is the best way for forecasting, like I said, because this depends on a very acute number. This is the most acute one of them in forecasting. This way, I will get the b. Don't worry about the row. That's the figure of the load itself is very rule, but it's not that much. So b equals summation xy minus summation x by summation y divided by summation x square minus summation x all square. This is different than this. Divided by n. N are the number of the series. Like as example, if it's 10 years, then you will divide by 10. If it's 5 years, you will divide by 5. Then this is the b. You got the b by this law. When you substitute with the numbers, you will get the b. Then to get a, substitute in the real equation y hat minus b hat x. We got the b, so no problem. We will x dash. So we'll get, it will be very easy now when you see an example about this Mike's claim. And what we are saying now is use linear regression to forecast demand for months 11 and 12 and 13, whatever. But use linear regression. So what you will do, the answer is, first of all, I will take month X and month Y and demand Y. So those are given, this one and this one is given in the examples. You won't get in, you won't do anything. You will take them copy and paste, right? You will take them copy and paste. So here they are, months and demand in the example. You will take them copy and paste. This is the months and this is the demand. And their numbers, write their numbers. Only thing you will do, you will add them, the sum. So 55 is 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6 and 4, 10 and 5, 15, 6, 21, 28, 36, 36 and 9, 45, 45 and 10 will give me this number for 55. And here the demand also, what you will do, 8 plus 12 is 20, 25, 45, and 40, 85, and this 50, 135. Go till you submit it and add all of them. They will be 448. That's nice. Now, what you will do to solve this, till the moment you didn't do anything, you just have the demands and the demand, you bought it from the question. It's given in the question. Nothing more. So what you did is you just submit them like this. You add them. The column X and the column Y. The total amount. You got the total amount for both of them. That's right. Now you want, what you will start to do is X square. You will do a column. You will call it X square. What is X square? The square of this column. Square means power 2. By other, simply power 2. So 1 power 2 will give me 1, or another meaning, 1 by 1 will give me 1. 2 by 2 equals 4. 3 by 3 equals 9. 4 by 4 equals 16. 5 by 5 equals 25. 6 by 6 equals 36. 7 by 7 equals 49. 8 by 8 equals 64. 9 by 9 equals 81. 10 by 10 equals 100. Then after you finish the series of the 10 years, you will bring the, or you will add them together, 1 and 4, 5 and 9, 14, 14 and 16, 30, 30 and 25, 55, and 30, blah, 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 and 30, then we'll go, blah, 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 it will come to 385 when you do it with the calculator. Okay, so this is the first column you will do. The second column you will do is you will multiply the numbers of X by the multiply the numbers of Y. You will multiply the numbers of X and Y. As example, and you will do a column, you will call it XY. So you will multiply X by Y and do a column that is called XY. How? 1 by 8 will give me 8. 2 by 12 will give me 24. 3 by 25 will give me 75. That's it. 4 by 40 will give me 160. 5 by 50 will give me 250. and go on and go on and go on and go on, the same, etc., blah blah blah, till you reach to the last number and you finish it. 10 years. Then you will add them together. 8, like you did exactly in the previous one. 8 plus 24, 32, plus 75, plus 160, plus 250 with the calculator, plus 390, plus 252, plus 488, plus 792, plus 630. That will give you this number, which is 3069. Great, perfect. We are done now for the schedule. We just did those two. Those were already given in the example. X and Y columns were given in the examples, but we did this column and we did this column. Great, perfect. Now I will apply this in the law or the rule of getting the B hat. So B hat equals summation of xy. Summation of xy is 3069. Here it is, 3069, minus submission x by submission y. Here is submission x is 55. Submission y is 448. So submission x by submission y. Okay, what about the 10? Divided by 10. 10 is the number of the series because you have from 1 to 10. So you have 10 month or 10, yes, it's with the months here. So you have 10 months. So you will divide by 10. Okay, this is in the nomination. How about the denomination? Denomination is summation x square. Summation x square is 385. You will tell me x by x. No. Submission x is something and submission x square is another thing. So submission x square is 385 minus submission x the whole square. The whole square means submission x is this 55. The whole square means that you will multiply it power 2. So submission x power 2 means submission x, this one, power 2, divide by n, which is the series number. When you substitute and finish, then you will get the B hat. B hat will equal 7.33. Okay. I want also A. I need A because I need A and B. So if I get A will equals y dash. Y dash is the average of column y. So if column y is 44.8, then y dash will be 44.8 by 10. It will give me 44. Let's see again. Let me write it down to you here. Y hat or y dash will equals, it will equal submission y divided by the number n. Okay, submission y. Let us see y, how it was. Y is 448. And the series n is 10 months from 1 to 10. So that's why I will do it like this. Equals 448 divided by 10. That will equals 44.8. And this is the number which we have here. Look at this. 44.8, the average. So here we say y hat 44.8 minus b hat. B hat, I got it, 7.33 here. I'm substituting now by x hat. X hat is here, also the average. The average of 55 divided by number of months will give me 5.5. This is 50 hat. The same thing. X, submission x, divided by the number of months, n, equals, x is 40. How much is x? Let's see. X is 55. Then x is 55 divided by the number of months, like you see here, the number of months is 10 months divided by the number of months, which is 10. That will equal 5.5. And here we go. So we just substituting in the numbers, and we got now A equals 4.49 and B equals 7.33. Now, if you want any months, forecast months 11, okay? Forecast months 12, forecast months 13. Let us, I will now, what I will do is, this point I have to discuss it on the board so it will be clear for you. I will show it to you just on the board now. Yeah, just stop sharing. Okay, I just want you to keep your eyes with me for what I will do here now after I got the A and got the B. It's very easy. It became very easy. It will take from you 2 minutes to understand it. Let's see here what we will do. We got the A already and we got the B. It's very easy for us now because we got the A and we got the B. We say Y equals A plus BX as example. We got already the beta. The beta is, we got it from the example. Let's see how much was the beta. So beta was 7.33. 7.33. And A or alpha was 4.49. 4.49. Great. He's telling me forecast because he gave me the series for 10 months. And he's asking for the month 11. Forecast the month number 11. So month number 11 will be A, will, it's like Y. Okay, let us say like this: Y equals A plus BX. So month 11 will be, how much is the A? 4.49. This is the A. Plus the B. How much is the B? B is 7.3. 7.33. Look at this now. Look at my hand. Multiply by the X. Now the X is what? X is 11 because this is month number 11. Okay? And this will give me 85.12, whatever it's clutches or whatever, like the example is. Shoes, clutches, based on what you have, rooms, pizza, the what the type of what he's talking about. So what's happening here? Like I told you, we need only to have A and B, and we got it already from the two equations which we had before in the least squares or in the regression model. So what are we doing now? We will apply, will substitute in the equation y equals A plus bx. That's fine. Let's say he wants month 11 equals A. A and B are constants. They never change. They will never change, A and B. But what is changing is, what is it changing? Is the number which he wants. What the number which he wants. So now he wants month 11. That's fine. So 4.49 plus the B, we said 7.23. We got them already before. We got them from the table and from the equations which we did in the previous step. Okay, if you want, can you do months number 12? Can you do this? Okay, do it, please. Yeah. Okay, I will help here also. So it will be A also plus BX. Okay, so months 12, we said A and B will never change. The A and B are constants, and we have their values. We have the A and we have the B. They are not changing. So A is 4.49 plus B is 7.33, but this time I will multiply in, instead of 11, I will multiply in 12 equals, and this give me the number, the second number, which is here. Instead of calculating it now, we have it already made, 92.45. 92.45. And etc. If he told you the month's number 100, then you will remove the x and multiply by 100. If he told you the month's number 150, then you will remove the 100x and put multiply in 150. I repeat back again and I say that the x and the a and b are constants. They never change. They are the same, which you get from the equation. The most thing helpful in the regression model, that it give you a, a power to forecast for whatever you need. If even if you need to forecast after 1 million year, you will remove the x and multiply by 1 million. So this is how it helps. It's very acute. It's the best of them. It's the powerful way to forecast through all the means of forecast. Thank you so much. This was very long. It may be separated video. Or might attach it to the theoretical part, but I know it's very long and can take 2 sessions to finish it. You have all a good night, and I wish you, my students, my dear students, all the best and all the good luck. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.